Hello friends, I am Kushbu Banderi from Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Science, MS University of Baroda. Today I am presenting magical assembly to convert transparent text into metallic silver colored text. Before going to explanation, let's see an experiment. Take a small amount of water and write down something on a paper. I have written here AG in 3 different papers. Now keep one as it is. And now take another one and put it in sublimation assembly as shown here and start the heating. After some time, organic compounds start sublimating over whole assembly, and if you concentrate on the central part, we can see there is some color change on a paper, which is colorless to metallic silver. Now cool down the assembly and remove the paper from it. Repeat this reaction again using sodium chloride salt and start heating in the assembly. We can see here the paper gives black coloration instead of metallic silver. Now again cool down and remove the paper. Let's compare these three. As we can see here, original one do not give any color change. Compared to that, one was converted to black and another one was converted into the metallic silver text. Let's check its conductivity using multimeter. Then we can see here only shiny silver coated text shows conductivity, not other two. Why is it so? To understand that, let's see chemistry behind it. In reality, the water contains silver amine complex, but if we keep it as such, then it do not give any color change. But if we keep it on heating or keep it for longer time, it may give black brown coloration, which is due to formation of Ag2. This is the reaction which we have used to convert colorless text into the silver text, where the sublimation property of phenol is a key factor. The interesting part is that phenols can sublimate over whole assembly, but it comes into the contact to the reagent only in the selective part and thus gives staining over that only, which is conductive in nature. On the repeated experiment, we have used sodium chloride instead of phenol. That's why it converted into the silver oxide and gave black coloration, and it was of non-conductive in nature. If we look at its application part, then we can say that this is the simplest method to coat or stain chemically stable and conductive silver. The main advantage of the method is one can coat it and thus selective area, and thus can be useful to prepare flexible conductive material, fabrics and solar appliances. For this invention, we have filed 2 patents, from which one is granted and second one is under the process of granting, and we are wishing to grant, and one publication is also reported for this reaction in reputed journal, which is Scientific Reports. Thank you for watching.